Hi, good day, M6077. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Faith Minoy. I'm 40 years old, single, a high school graduate. I also took up a course of bread and crazy production in TESDA. I'm the youngest member of the family of my parents. When it comes to work experience, I have experience for almost 14 years here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, gardening, cooking, marketing, tutoring, and car washing.
Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby which is 3 months old, right?
Yes,
So you know how and you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the baby first, the temperature of the body. Maybe the baby is hungry, or maybe his diaper or her diaper is full or wet.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I immediately inform my employer so that they will know what is the reason why the baby is crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the safest and have a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me and wants me to stay.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn
And how will you learn to cook?
by watching YouTube channel and cookbook.
Okay. And if your employer um prepare food that you don't know, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Of course sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Of course sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you heard me, I try my best to do my responsibilities and duties and love your family as my family as well. Taking care of your kids or baby.
Okay, and can you promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes,
house?
sir.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank
Miss
you.
Faye. Thank you.